If you've got a broken hood latch and you want to fix it, then this video is for you. Whenever you have a plastic part in a mechanical system fail, you want to ask yourself why this thing failed. And in particular, it's likely that corrosion and increase in mechanical resistance is part of the equation. So I'm using lithium-based grease. You could use a silicone spray, but you want to lubricate the whole mechanism, including the cable slides. All right, let's see if we can get this plastic off. There we are. Wow, look at all this dirt. Okay, let me show you the connectors here. This one here came out normally. And it goes in right there. And then there's a second one. And this second one came off and it's stuck in here, so I'm just going to pull it out. Let's see. There. This clip just goes on like that. First I want to take the cable handle off, so I'm going to pull it tight and then just pinch it with these locking pliers. So, like most things with plastic, there's a little bit of a trick to it. There's a little groove there. I'm going to rotate it so the cable's in the groove, and then it just pops out like that. Pretty simple. Now I want to get this housing off. There's one nut. This is a 13 millimeter. Let's see if we can spin this off. There it is there. This comes free. Okay, I've had a look at this. I think I know how to get it undone. This thing has a couple little wings on it. You squeeze those two wings in and wiggle and it comes out just like that. Okay, this is my replacement piece. It's Dorman 03335. Supposed to be appropriate for this. Let's see if it fits. Put this part into here. All right. So far, so good. Okay. Ah, voila. This nut here, the wing on this nut seems a little bit too large. It'll be easy enough to get a second nut. So the shoulder is too big on this cap nut to get it into the Dorman replacement part, so I'm just going to grind it down. Try it out before we put the cover back on. Yeehaw! Did one of you guys tell me to clean my car? I heard you. Well, you know, Dorman get a bad reputation because they make parts for every car, and it's hard to make them exactly perfect for each one of them. And of course I had to grind off a little bit of the edge of that cap nut, but at the end of the day it worked fine. And at the end of the day I've got a lever that works perfectly well. And it was a lot less expensive than it would have been if I'd gotten it at the dealer. So overall they put pressure on the dealers to make their prices lower, and I think they're heroes in the big picture. Thanks for watching.